Let A, B, and C be sets. Shed the following sets in the Venn diagram. Now we have two questions here, A and B. Starting with A, we want to show B intersection C intersection A complement in the Venn diagram. First of all, we're going to separate the two. We're going to show this in the Venn diagram and this one separate. What I mean is this. I'm going to draw a Venn diagram here. In this Venn diagram, I'm going to show B intersection C only. And the other Venn diagram here, we're going to show a complement. So in this Venn diagram, we have three sets, A, B, and C. Also in the other Venn diagram, we have three sets, A, B, and C. Doing this, we show a B intersection C. B intersection C is this part that is found in both B and C. Then A complement everything outside set A. So set A is somewhere there. Everything outside set A will look something like this. This is outside A. That's the way we shade. You're supposed to shade a complement. And the question we were taught to shade B intersection C intersection A complement, not shading these sets separate. So we're going to combine now the two. The sign connecting the two, remember, is the intersection. So we need to look for the common parts that are shaded in both diagrams here. So here we have the final Venn diagram. In this Venn diagram, I'm going to now show the question, which is going to be, of course, B intersection C, then intersection A complement. That's what you're going to show here. So there we have A, B, and C as usual. Now, B intersection C, so this shading, then A complement everything outside. Now I want to find the intersection and see that the intersection is supposed to be the common parts that are shaded in both diagrams. So in this diagram here, the mid part here is shaded, there it's not shaded. This part is shaded, also there is shaded. So this part is shaded, also that side it is shaded. This is the part that we are talking about. So this, if you shade this part here, this is B intersection C intersection A complement. You have shown this information, or you have shaded this set in the Venn diagram. Now for B, this one here, we have A complement intersection B union C. We're going to use the same method of separating them. So in the first Venn diagram here, I'm going to show A complement intersection B, and the other Venn diagram we're going to show C, showing the three sets A, B, C, A, B, and C. So A complement intersection B, A complement outside A but should also be in B. That's the meaning of A complement intersection B. So outside A but in B, this is going to be the shading. What we have shown here is, of course, A complement intersection B. And C is easy to shade since we're just shading everything inside C. We don't care about the other set or other sets. We just shade everything in C. That is C. Now, we're looking for A complement intersection B union C. You draw the Venn diagram for the final shading. And in this shading here, we need to show A complement intersection B union C. Now the sign connecting the two here is the union. So since the sign connecting the two is the union, you're supposed to get the shading on this diagram and the other diagram on one diagram. For the intersection, in the previous question, we looked for the parts that are shaded in both diagrams. This is for the intersection. Look for the parts that are shaded or the common parts that are shaded in these diagrams. But if it is the union, you shade both diagrams on a single diagram. What I mean is this. You get A, B, and C. A, B, and C. So this is the shading we have for this diagram. So we shade it. Then the other one is the shading. You shade on the same diagram. C. Okay. So the shading that we have here is now A complement intersection B union C. That's the way we're supposed to do it.